Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Zacconi espresso machine, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. I'm going to do one more pull. I'm going to test the steam. There was a vacuum inside the machine. So I forgot with this machine you have to release the steam before making a shot, or else it doesn't heat properly because there's a vacuum inside the machine. So here we see the pressure coming up.
Close out your windows.
The pressure gauge is not at zero when it's cold, so it's okay that it's just a little bit in the red zone because the pressure gauge is off. I think once it heats all the way, it'll get close to the red zone, if not in it a little ways. Still heating. There we just heard it click off. And there it is, right at the border. Test the steam. Now we have a nice strong steam. Now that we let the vacuum out, it heated properly. And so thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.